In this video, we walk you through how to use the TrueHB Node hemoglobin meter. TrueHB Node is used to measure hemoglobin in the whole blood in less than 30 seconds at home. Now you don't have to go to the pathology labs to get yourself tested. TrueHB Node can be used by any layperson at home to monitor the hemoglobin, which is minimum 12 GDL for females and 13 GDL for males. To perform the test, you need the following items: TrueHB Node Hemometer, Dry Swabs, TrueHB Test Strip, Auto Disable Lancet. If in case anything is missing from the package, please write us at support@rig.in. Remember to always wash your hands with warm soapy water and dry them thoroughly before you test. Perform the test. Open the TrueHB Node strip bottle, take a fresh strip from the strip bottle, and always remember to close the lid tightly. The arrow on the strip should be pointing toward the TrueHB Node. Insert the test strip into the TrueHB Node. Kindly do not allow fingers or other foreign objects to come in contact with the white test area of the test strip. After inserting the strip, TrueHB Node will get powered on and it will display the strip, scan code, battery level, and Bluetooth symbol. After prompting the scan code on the screen, kindly bring the strip bottle on top of the TrueHB Node for the detection of the code. The distance between the TrueHB Node and strip bottle should be less than 2 cm. By bringing the strip bottle near the TrueHB Node, the device will scan the code from the bottle and will display the code on the screen. Kindly re-verify the displayed code in the TrueHB Node against the printed code on the strip bottle. If it was found to be different, kindly reach out to the customer care team at the toll-free number 1-800-309032 or email us at support@rig.in. While performing the puncture, the hand or the sample site must be at or below the heart level. After that, the TrueHB Node will display the blood drop symbol. Use non-dominant hand to gently rub or massage the puncture site before pricking to enable a free flow of blood in the puncture site. Using a rolling movement of your thumb, lightly press the finger from the top knuckle towards the tip. This stimulates the flow of blood towards the puncture site. When the thumb has reached the fingertip, maintain gentle pressure and puncture the palm side surface of the finger halfway between the nail and finger pad. Wipe away the first drop of blood using dry swab. Drop the blood on the white part of the strip. When enough blood has been filled on the white area of the strip, the flashing hourglass appears and results will be ready within 30 seconds. Remove and dispose of the used test strip and lancet as per the local regulations. You will find more information in the user's manual that came in with TrueHB Node. If you still have any questions, please visit truehb.com or write us at support@rig.in. Thanks again for choosing TrueHB Node.